This icon warns of danger that could result in personal injury or threat to health. These icons tell us to pay special attention not to damage the device or any components and parts nearby. Pointer icon displays a specific location on the device. Recycle bin icon indicates that the spare part is not reusable. For assembling, you need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2. You will also need the RF cable assembly tool SS298, and the SS316 pressing tool. Use tweezers to peel off the two protective films from the PMA Flex. Note: PMA Flex can be assembled only in AT&T variant, RM940. Place the PMA Flex into the unibody module. Use the shown guidings when aligning the flex. Press gently with the SS93 to activate the adhesive. Fasten the bottom end of the flex by pressing it gently. Use tweezers to remove the protective film from the AV connector. Place the AV connector into its cavity with tweezers. Secure it with the SS93. Use the shown guidings when aligning the contact pad. Press gently with the SS93 to activate the adhesive on contact pad. Avoid touching the golden parts. Unwrap a new LED flash. And attach it with tweezers. Press gently with the SS93 to activate the adhesive. Remove the protective film from the battery adhesive. Before assembling the battery, make sure the battery cavity is clean. Place the adhesive into the battery cavity. Then peel the protective film off. Place the battery into the display module, top end first. Press the battery with fingers to secure it properly. Use tweezers to remove the protective film from the side key flex. Place the side key flex. Use the shown guidings when aligning the flex. Fasten the straight part of the side key flex by sliding the SS93 as shown. Unwrap a new earpiece and attach it with tweezers. Use tweezers to place the earpiece into its slot. Remove the protective film from the vibra. Use the shown guiding when aligning the vibra with tweezers. Press gently with the SS93 to activate the adhesive. Use tweezers to assemble the vibra support. Place the shown side first. Use the SS93 to connect the camera connector. Be careful not to damage the connector or any nearby components. Place the engine board to the display assembly. While aligning the engine board, be careful not to damage the shown flexes or connectors. Push the shown edge of the engine board to the shown place of the vibra support. The shown parts of the vibra support should be on top of the engine board. Check that the front camera goes into its cavity. Fasten the 5 Torx Plus size 4 screws in the order shown, to the torque of 10 Nm. Connect the 2 RF cables with the SS298. Be careful not to damage the connectors or any nearby components. Secure the connectors by pressing them gently and release the SS298 by sliding it towards the cable. Secure the second RF cable connector. Lift the 2 shown battery adhesive tapes when placing the bottom module. Combine the bottom module and the chassis. Bend the bridge flex upwards before placing the bottom module into chassis. Make sure the tapes are not left under the bottom module. Peel off this protective film from the IHF assembly. Place the IHF assembly on top of the bottom module. Fasten the 4 Torx Plus size 4 screws in the order shown, to the torque of 10 Nm. Use tweezers to remove the second protective film from the IHF assembly. Use the SS93 to bend the gasket around the USB. Use the SS298 to connect the black RF cable. Be careful not to damage the connector or any nearby components. Secure the connector by pressing it gently and release the SS298 by sliding it towards the cable. Bend the black RF cable and insert it into the cavity. Use the SS93 if needed. Be careful not to damage the RF cable. Secure the gray RF cable connector. Place the gray RF cable into the cavity with the SS93. Be careful not to damage the RF cable. Check that the cables are secured under the shown hook. Make sure that either one of the cables is not on top of the other near the IHF assembly. Place the side key flex gasket to the place shown. Place also the second side key flex gasket to the place shown. Use the SS93 to connect the side key flex connector and the display connector. Be careful not to damage the connectors or any nearby components. Use tweezers to align the display connector support. Make sure the display connector support goes under the shown clips, and slide it into its place. Use the SS93 to connect the bridge connector and the battery connector. Be careful not to damage the connectors or any nearby components. Attach the bridge flex to the battery. Place the bridge connector support with tweezers. Align the shown clip first and then put down the other end. Fasten this Torx Plus size 4 screw to the torque of 10 Nm. Remove the protective film from the heat spreader. Place the heat spreader with tweezers. Press the heat spreader with fingers to activate the adhesive, and secure it properly, then peel the protective film off. First align the bottom end of the window assembly to the unibody assembly, and slide the window assembly in low angle into its place. Then put down the other end, and press slightly to attach the window assembly correctly. Fasten this Torx Plus size 2 screw to the torque of 10 Nm. Use tweezers to place the IMEI label. Secure the IMEI label with the SS316. Place the SIM tray. Place the SD tray. Press the power key and check that the device restarts properly. The Nokia Lumia 1520 assembly procedure is now complete.